Hello everyone, it's me, Maarko, and I'm back again with another video. In this video, I've come to a part of Neihu where they have big shops like this Costco, big huge complexes. I'm gonna walk around here and show you what it's like, and then separately I'm going to try and make a video of inside Costco. But this Costco, they're pretty militant. This just Costco specifically, they're pretty militant about who they let come in and out. I don't have a Costco membership because why would I subscribe to something to buy products? It's not worth it for me. So yes, let's walk around, and if I get a chance, I'll also go in there and make a separate video for Costco. If you look over here, there is also like some kind of department store over there with different shops inside. You see, it's got a Puma outlet, North Face, Skechers, Native. This is like it's kind of like a small department store, but it's not classy department store. It's more like a rundown department store to me. And then that is Costco there. So this one here, this Costco here, they have these beepers at the door. You got to beep in and beep out. And I tried to go in for a hot dog when I worked here, sorry, not lived here. And they went mental, man. They're like, you're not allowed in. So when you go down this main road down here, behind this Costco, they have a lot of other shops and things too. There is an IKEA down here. There's a Volkswagen over the road there. And this is kind of like a non-residential area. Close to this area, there is a big tech area, and then this is like a non-residential area here. It's all these big shopping zones or shopping buildings. I'll just show you around and then we'll get home. So here is another big complex. This says it is Tian Chen Lian, so I guess that is the supermarket Chen Lian. We go down here behind Chen Lian, behind the supermarket complex. There is a big home store, a bit like a B&Q. I'll just slow down a little and we'll pan around this area like this. See, big shopping buildings here. Over there's an Atari behind the trees. Further behind the trees you can see the big blue IKEA building, and over the road there is Mercedes-Benz. Across the road from Mercedes-Benz there is Volkswagen. So this is a big shopping area, but the shopping that you do here, it's more like big items. So like furniture shops, supermarkets, cars. This whole area has all this kind of gear. This is Taipei Flower Market. I believe this is only open during the day. Now I've just walked to the back of Costco and I will show you what is around now. So there's a building opposite, I don't know what they do. I'll show you. This colourful building here at the back of Costco, I don't know what is in there, but I believe by the looks on the signs and that, this looks like it could be connected to the Taipei Flower Market. Oddly, it's all closed up. For some reason, I think these close really early. Let's go over here, actually. We'll just follow the lights. We'll go this way instead. So if you see up there, there's a big home building. This is all about furniture and that. It's like basically a massive B&Q. A massive B&Q. There's another look at that colourful building across the road. If anyone can tell me what that's about, let me know. But it has got Taipei Flower Auction on the top. I wonder if it's like an auction place for flowers. Who knows? So that up there is a big home. It's like basically like a massive B&Q. If you've got B&Q in your country, that's what that's like. Loads of stuff for the home. I think it's mostly like furniture, but I believe the orange signed one is a little bit like B&Q, a little bit. So we just walk down this road. I'm just going to walk around a bit towards the IKEA, and then when we get to the IKEA we can head back up to the Costco. I parked my scooter in Costco. I maybe should have parked it here for free, look. Maybe should have parked it here for free, but I'm quite happy parking it underneath in the basement so that if it hammers it down with rain, everything is dry. That's a part of the home building there. You can see the clouds are changing a little bit, look. Opposite me here, this Prosperity Plaza. This used to be Costco, but a Taiwanese company's been buying them all out, and now this Prosperity Plaza used to be Costco. It's not Costco anymore, and you can see inside it has a Louisa Coffee, Sushi Express, etc in there. But this used to be Costco, now it's Prosperity Plaza, which sounds a bit ridiculous, but that's what they want to call it. Look, goodbye Costco, hello new Costco. To me, this area is a bit of a dead zone. There's not a lot here. There's no restaurants or anything like that, which is a bit unusual for Taiwan. It is literally just these office buildings or these big shops selling big products like furniture and that. There's like bedding shops and things like that. So it's a little bit of a dead zone. It's a weird area here. I think it's a weird area anyway. Other people might actually like it. I'll show you what I mean. There's nothing here. The reason I think it's weird is if you look at this area, there's nothing here, and this is unusual for Taipei. Normally when you go to Taipei, everywhere is crowded, buildings everywhere, people everywhere, traffic everywhere. But look at this, there's another furniture shop, look, Natuzzi Italia. That's another furniture shop just there, randomly. I think I've lost Decathlon, but it's around here somewhere. There is a Decathlon, but I've lost it. So, you see, just office buildings, furniture shops, IKEA, Costco, supermarkets, Decathlon, etc. Is that not? That's Decathlon there, man. I found it. So down here next to Natuzzi Italia is Decathlon, and here is the big Decathlon. Just like I told you, this is literally right behind IKEA in this area. So this area is just these kind of shops everywhere. There's nothing else, just these kind of shops. It's probably a good area to walk around. There's no one here. There's loads of space, and there's like paths. A lot of places in Taipei don't have paths. So right now, look, I'm walking on a path, big one as well. I'm actually separated from the road. They started trying to do paths in Taipei, but they added these like little green sections of the road. They colored it green, and then they said that's like basically a pedestrian area, but it's just an extension of the road colored green. It's not a path or a sidewalk. If you're American, it's not path as we know it. So we're getting to IKEA now. See, look at all the space for walking here. Look at that. I mean, there's nothing scenic here. There's nothing scenic. There's nothing to look at. But if your goal and your purpose is just to walk and lose weight, then having a huge path in Taipei is such a novelty. We're getting to the IKEA now. Look, this is the IKEA. That's IKEA there. This IKEA has no scooter parking. That's the back actually. This is the back end of IKEA, but it's still blue. The colour blue, so synonymous with IKEA. And also it has the supermarket inside, look, Chen Lian. I'm not going in IKEA. There you go. big, massive IKEA complex. Different Volkswagen shop in front of us, and over here they have different offices. That actually looks like it is a dual complex building. Maybe people are definitely living there. I would not like to live there. Do you know why? There's nothing in this area but offices. A weird location to put a house. Post office over there, little post office too. Mackie D's and McDonald's. Drive through that one. Now I'm just heading back to IKEA. Back to IKEA. No, back to IKEA. Now I'm just heading back to Costco. See if they let me in to do the Costco video. If they do, get that done. Have a hot dog, go home. If they don't, just go straight home. Do the Costco video another day. Don't know if you can see the McDonald's there. It is McDonald's drive-through. I went through there a few times in the morning for breakfast when I used to work close to here on my scooter to buy Mackie D's breakfast. I think I've showed you most of the shops in this area that people would probably use. I'm getting close to the Costco, so I will just show you what I mean as I walk up. I will just let you see what it's like in this area and show you how it is here. So we'll just walk up, we'll leave the camera running, and you can see there's not a lot here. It doesn't look like other parts of Taipei really. Look at it. Big open spaces, paths, no ugly looking apartment buildings around, just big shop complexes and offices, that kind of thing, and that's it. I've always thought this is a bit of a dead area, a weird area. Look, here's the traffic waiting for the lights. Right, I'm back at the Costco where I parked my scooter. So that is a little bit of a walk around this area to show you what it is like here. Basically, this is an office and shopping area for your home. It's a bit of a weird area. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a like, give us a thumbs up, check the affiliated links in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers, bye, see you later.